On a weekly grocery shopping, I got my hands on some fresh fruits, thought of buying it and making a mixed fruit jam. The best part of this jam is that it is absolutely sugar-free and it tastes much better than the store-bought one. I have few sugar-free jams recipe uploaded on my channel. I will drop the link in the description box below. Please do try them and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. All you have to do is steam the golden raisins and de-seeded dates for 15 minutes in a colander, and once it is steamed it will become soft. Keep it aside and let it cool down completely for later use. For the fruits, I have taken some strawberries, apples, oranges, pineapple, plums. You can take banana and papaya as well. The quantity of the fruits totally depends upon your liking. Clean the strawberries and wash them along with plums and apples. Once the strawberries, apples and plums are washed, air dry them or wipe them with a clean dry cloth. There should be no water residue left on the fruits. Once all the fruits are dried completely, you can do two things, either chop them or blend them. If you want your jam to be a smooth consistency jam, then blend all the fruits. If you're blending the fruits, make sure to peel the apple and de-seed the plum. If you're new to my channel and haven't subscribed it, consider subscribing it and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Squeeze one lemon once you have chopped all the apples so that the apple doesn't turn brown. Discard the seed while chopping the plum. Plums give nice color to the jam, so do not skip it. Once the three fruits are chopped, take them in a bowl and keep it aside. Peel the pineapple and chop it fine. Do not forget to discard the middle part of the pineapple. Once the pineapple is chopped, transfer it in a separate bowl. Extract the juice from the oranges and set it aside. The raisins and the dates that were steamed are completely cooled down. Time to blend the raisins and the dates. While blending, use the orange juice and the pineapple as well. Blend it to a fine paste. There should be no chunks left. Once blended, transfer the raisins and dates mixture in a pot along with the chopped fruits. Give it a quick mix. Cook the fruits on a medium flame, and once it starts boiling, with a potato masher, start mashing the fruits at regular interval and do not forget to stir it as well. Cook the jam till it's become thick and a dough-like consistency. Be sure that once the jam is cooled down completely, it will become more thicker. Once the jam is cooled down completely, store it in a sterile glass jar and refrigerate up to 6 months. As I always say, eat homemade and stay healthy. Bye bye. God bless.